Today, we are going to go ahead and be showcasing you all the features and utility of the Binamarket project and why you should be taking a look at it, so get ready. So guys, today we are going to go ahead and be showcasing the Binamarket project, guys, showcasing you everything it has to offer, what features you can find on this project and website, and how you can go ahead and get started with using them today. But before I get to that, just remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always remember to make the decision for yourself when deciding to invest into your project. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. Let's go and take a look at what this project is all about. So basically, guys, this is the Binamarket, guys, where you're going to go and be able to invest into whatever you want, guys. Whatever prediction you might want to choose is going to be available right here. What exactly do I mean? Well, as you can see right here on the official main page, you can immediately see what they have to offer, guys. You can choose the winners of, let's say, English Premier League winner, guys, if it's going to be Arsenal, Manchester City, or whoever else you might want to go ahead and put your investment on. So here, as you can see, what price will gold close at in 2025. Then is going Mr. Beast going to hit this many billion views by December 31st, Trump out as president 2025, and so on. So here you can go and find everything you can go ahead and put your money on. So to get started, you can easily go right here into the upper right corner and click on the connect wallet option. This is going to enable you to connect your wallet of choice. Let's say you want to use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any similar wallet. You can go and select right here. It's going to enable you to log in, and just 5 seconds we are ready to go ahead and log into the Binamarket website. Just like that, click connect, and we are ready to get into it. So as you can see here, you're going to go and be able to get your login code. This is the login code that you want to use and that you're going to copy, and you're going to go ahead and be able to use it. So from here, now we can get started. As you can see, once you're logged in with your wallet, now you can get started with accessing your profile right here in the upper right corner, where you can get started accessing your profile, leaderboard section, and so on. You have the deposit option as well. So if you click deposit, guys, it's going to enable you to select the amount of money you want to deposit. Let's say 10 USDT token right here. The price impact is going to be shown max slippage and processing time. So if you have enough money in your wallet, you're going to go ahead and be able to deposit right here. Currently I do not have, so I cannot do so, but once you've done so, it's going to appear in your portfolio and cash section right here, and that's how easily you can get started. So from here in your profile section, you can go ahead and open up your profile, take a look at your positions, activity, all that you have put money on, and your profit and loss margins are going to be right here, where you can select if you want to view them for all time, 1 month, and so on. You also have the leaderboard, where you can go and take a look at who the top users are, what their profit and losses, and so on, and all the wallets that are implemented into this project. So let's go back to the main page and take a look exactly how the investments and tradings are done. So here, as you can see, the English Premier League winner. Here you can get started selecting who you want to win the English Premier League. Let's say it's going to be Arsenal, guys. You are going to either hand select yes or no. So there's a 50-50 chance, obviously, yes or no, if they're going to be the winners or not. So you can go ahead and, let's say, select yes. Once you click on yes, it's going to show you how much money you want to invest into this decision. So as you can see, you also have the slider right here, where you can go ahead and select how much you're going to use. But let's say you want to go ahead and use $10 that they're going to be the winner. The option is going to appear right here to deposit money if you have not already deposited, and if you have enough money, it's going to enable you to put that money into that decision, and that is how it's done. So just like that, you can get started with choosing who the winner is going to be, or any of the options that you have right here. So here at the top of the screen, you can find all that they have, guys. You have popular topics such as Venezuela, OpenAI, and so on, and all the options you can go ahead and make decisions on for right here. Elon Musk is also here, also very popular option. At the top of the screen, you can take a look at the trending investments that are currently going on and the tradings, and here you can go ahead and even search them. So you have crypto, geopolitics, earnings, tech, culture, and so on, and you can have all the options that you have to find the perfect investment and trade for you. So going back to the main page, you can get started scrolling down. You can load more to find everything that's offered to you that you can go ahead and invest into, and right here at the bottom of the screen, you can find their social media, where you can go and keep in touch with them. What they're also offering, guys, is the Telegram bot. So here you have the airdrop bot on the Telegram platform, which you can go and open up. Once you open it up, it's going to look like this, where you can go and use this bot. What does it do, guys? It predicts smart, earn real, get free Bina tokens today. So you can complete simple tasks and earn up to 1000 Bina tokens, and you can refer to friends for even more 1000 Bina tokens. So as you can see, the rewards are going to land in your wallet on March 25th, 2026. So you can just click the start button right here, and we are ready to go. So as you can see, now we can go and click the get started option right here. So by clicking get started, it's going to take us to the new page page from where we're just going to go ahead and complete this captcha to confirm we are not a bot, enter in the result right here, and you're ready to go. So you can see the first task is join the Binamarket community. So if you earn your first tokens, you're going to join the Telegram channel for official updates and join the Binamarket Telegram group for discussion. So you can go ahead and open them up right here and add 3 friends to the group and leave at least 1 comment related to Binamarket. And once that is done, you're going to click done right here. So you can see we can go and click the Telegram official channel right here that you want to join. So click the join channel option, and then you're going to go and join everything else that is put right here. Once you click done, it's going to show you that you are approved. As you can see, currently I have not completed everything, so you cannot just go and click done. As you can see, it's going to say mission not completed. You want to join the Telegram groups that are listed right here and do the tasks that are required, and that is how to go ahead and get your Binamarket points. So there you have it, guys. You want to join their official Telegram groups right here, check out everything they have to offer. And that is mostly everything you need to get started. You can go and check it out on Binamarket.com to explore the features for yourself, see everything they have to offer. As you can see, you can open up the predictions right here and get tons of features that you can get started using today. So you can see it's going to show you the charts, how the charts have been moving in the past couple of days, weeks, and so on. You can get started either buying or selling on the decisions right here. So you can see you can get started with tradings today. You're going to go and be able to take a look at the percentages of the chances for every team or every decision and every option that you have right here. And here is the rules that you also have. This is the poly market, so if you want to buy it, you can either buy yes, no, and so on, that they are not going to be the winners, that they are going to be the winners, and so on. So they have tons of features that enable you to make the perfect investment for yourself. So this is the kind of trading you can go ahead and expect on Binamarket. If you're interested into more, go ahead to Binamarket.com, find everything they had to offer. Right here in the bottom right corner, you can find their social media, just like I showed you, their official Telegram group. Follow them on Twitter for regular updates on what's happening with the token, to always be in touch with the project and any news. And there you have it, guys. So everything you need is down in the description to get into today. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. Biggest thing for watching today's one. I hope we'll see you next one, and bye.